Okay. I'm gonna try and put this thing together. This thing is very heavy. It's like 100-something pounds. So I'm gonna carry this guy to Illinois. I love screwdrivers. These things are the best. You can do everything with these freaking things. Incredible. Not a chance. Love you, bud. Would you look at that? That is so nice. Nice. Very cool. Alrighty. We can start building this thing, huh? We are all unboxed. I have my pieces neatly organized all around me. Should be easy. Just gotta follow every single one of these instructions. And these actually look super basic, so shouldn't be too bad. Alright. Boom! Wow, it looks just like it doing them pictures. That's pretty good. Yeah, that was pretty easy. Hopefully the thing just doesn't suck. I think it'll be fine. So I got it all put together. And that's just gonna sit up there until I decide to put it on the truck. So maybe that'll be later or tomorrow, I don't know. But I'll make a video updating.